Ever wondered how to make your solo travel experiences even more memorable and hassle-free? Navigating through unknown territories, meeting new people, discovering cultures and cuisines, the thrill of solo travel is unparalleled. But it can be daunting too. Whether it's your first solo trip or you're a seasoned wanderer, there's always room for smart travel hacks. So buckle up, fellow Globetrotters. Today we've got 10 travel hacks to make your solo traveling experience even more amazing. First up, always have digital copies of your important documents. You never know when you might need a backup. It's as easy as scanning or snapping a picture of your passport, identification card, and travel insurance, or any other document you deem essential. Once you have these digital versions, store them safely in a secure cloud storage service or even just email them to yourself. Why, you ask? Having these digital copies can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. Imagine losing your passport in a foreign country or misplacing your ID. Without these critical pieces of identification, navigating through such situations can be incredibly stressful. But with digital copies at your fingertips, you can quickly provide necessary information to local authorities or your country's embassy, helping expedite the process of getting replacements. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Having digital copies of your documents is a simple step that can make a world of difference. It's a lifesaver in case of loss or emergencies. Connect with locals through travel apps. In an age where technology is at our fingertips, it's a breeze to bridge the gap between cultures and continents. Think of platforms like Meetup or Couchsurfing as your virtual handshake to the world. These platforms are not only great for meeting fellow travelers, but they also provide an avenue to connect with locals. And who better to give you the real scoop on the best hidden gems in town than the locals themselves? Additionally, keep an eye out for local event apps. These are often filled with events and experiences curated by locals, offering you an opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture. The beauty of using these apps is that they open doors to friendships and experiences you might never have encountered otherwise. It's an excellent way to make new friends and get insider tips on the best places to explore. When it comes to packing, less is more. You might be tempted to bring along every item you think you'll need. But remember, the goal is to be mobile, not weighed down by unnecessary items. Opt for versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. Think layers, neutrals, and multi-purpose items. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend. They help you organize your clothes, accessories, and gadgets in a compact manner, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. And don't forget, laundry facilities are usually available at your destination, so pack for a week, no matter how long your trip is. Also, a small first aid kit, travel-sized toiletries, and essential electronics should make the cut. The trick is to pack smart, not heavy. Remember, every kilogram counts when you're lugging your backpack across cities and countries. A lighter backpack means more freedom to roam. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member. This is a simple yet crucial step that can often be overlooked in the excitement of planning a solo adventure. But trust me, it's a must. It's about creating an extra layer of security for yourself. When you're out there exploring the world, knowing that someone back home is aware of your whereabouts can be incredibly comforting. So jot down your flight details, accommodation information, and a rough plan of places you'll visit, and share it with someone you trust. It's not about reporting every single move you make, but rather giving a general outline of your travel plans. This way, if you ever run into any issues or emergencies, there's someone who knows where you are, or at least where you were supposed to be. It's a safety net and provides peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. This might seem like a small thing, but it can significantly enhance your travel experience. Why? Well, for starters, it makes navigating your surroundings a whole lot easier. Instead of fumbling with translations apps, you can ask for directions, order food, or even haggle at local markets with ease. But it's not all about practicality. Learning the language is also a sign of respect for the country and its people. It shows that you're interested in their culture and willing to step out of your comfort zone to engage with them. Moreover, it can open doors to interactions that you might otherwise miss. Locals are often more willing to help or chat with travelers who make an effort to speak their language. So even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, give it a shot. It can go a long way in connecting with locals and showing respect for their culture. Stay connected with a portable charger. This small but mighty tool is an absolute game changer for all solo travelers. Imagine being on a breathtaking hike or in the middle of a bustling city, and your phone's battery decides to call it a day. It's a situation none of us want to be in. Your devices, whether it's your phone, camera, or tablet, are not just tools for communication or navigation, but also your personal travelogue capturing all those awe-inspiring moments. A portable charger is your device's best friend, ensuring they're always powered up and ready to go, no matter where you are. It's a small investment with massive returns, providing you with that extra bit of security and convenience as you navigate the world solo. Having a portable charger ensures you won't miss capturing those incredible moments or navigating through new places. Trust your instincts. As a solo traveler, this advice is golden. When you're out there on your own, exploring new places and cultures, your intuition becomes your most reliable compass. It's about tuning into those gut feelings, those little nudges that whisper, "This feels right," or "Maybe I should steer clear of this." Trusting your instincts isn't about being fearful or paranoid. No, it's about embracing your independence, your intuition, and your ability to make decisions on your own. It's about recognizing that you have the wisdom and the savvy to navigate your journey safely and wisely. If a situation doesn't feel right, listen to that feeling. If an opportunity excites you and feels like a great fit, go for it. Remember, you're the captain of your own ship. Your instincts are your internal compass, guiding you towards the experiences that will enrich your journey and keep you safe. So trust them. It's your best guide to making safe and informed decisions on the road. Download offline maps. This hack is one of those simple yet game-changing tips for all solo adventurers out there. When you're exploring new terrain, your map is your best friend. But what happens when you end up in an area with spotty or exorbitant data charges? That's where offline maps come into play. These maps, available via various apps, allow you to navigate the streets and landmarks of your destination without the need for an internet connection. All you have to do is download the map of the area you're visiting while you have Wi-Fi, and you're set. This means you can wander through winding streets, find hidden gems, and explore off the beaten track, all without worrying about losing your way. Offline maps are also a great tool for conserving your data. You can save your precious megabytes for those all-important social media updates or emergency calls. So remember, before you set off on your adventure, download those offline maps. You can navigate without worrying about getting lost or draining your data plan. Embrace solo dining. Yes, you heard it right. Solo dining is not just about filling your stomach, it's about immersing yourself in the local culture, enjoying the ambiance, and savoring the flavors of your destination. It's about taking a moment to slow down and truly experience the journey you're on. When you dine alone, you're not just a tourist, you're an observer, a participant in a new world of culinary delights. You get to decide the cuisine, the place, and the pace. You can indulge in a leisurely breakfast at a local cafe, enjoy a quick street food snack, or treat yourself to a gourmet dinner at a top-rated restaurant. Not to forget, it gives you an opportunity to people watch, a pastime that can be as intriguing as exploring the city itself. So, go ahead, grab a table for one, and relish the experience. It's a chance to enjoy local cuisine, people watch, and savor the experience at your own pace. Capture memories with a travel journal. This is more than just a hack. It's a way to make your travels timeless. As solo travelers, we're the sole witnesses to our experiences, the unique nuances, the spontaneous encounters, the breathtaking vistas. By jotting down these moments, we're creating a tangible keepsake of our journey. A travel journal isn't limited to words either. Feel free to paste in tickets, postcards, or any small memento that holds a memory for you. You can also sketch out scenes or write down quotes that resonated with you. And it's not just about the physical memories. Writing can be therapeutic. It can help you process your experiences, reflect on your feelings, and gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. And when the journey is over, you have something to look back on, a story, in your own words. It's a beautiful way to relive your journey and share your experiences when you return. And there you have it, 10 travel hacks for solo traveling. We hope these tips will add an extra layer of ease and excitement to your upcoming adventures. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow wanderers, they might find it useful too. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more travel content. We're always eager to share insights and advice to make your journeys unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, adventurers!